So here's how we can enable the reading mode on iPhone. Let me show you two ways or two angles we can take a look at it. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. First of all, if you are like reading a web page, you can see that we have the regular mode, but we can also switch it to the reading mode. So next to the URL at the bottom, you have this like button, and you can see we have a couple of different things going on, and you can tap on the three dots next to it, and you can see we have the use reader automatically. So you can enable it, and this will like turn the web page into a reader mode if it's available for that page, of course. But that's kind of how it works, and you can switch to the reader mode that way, right? So that is something that you're going to do. You might be interested in that. And yeah, you can utilize that for many web pages. However, if you mean the reader mode in the sense that your phone will be reading the content to you, which is possible, of course, you can check out the settings app of the iPhone, where by proceeding to the accessibility section, you'll be able to see the read and speak. And as long as you have the speak screen feature turned on with a green toggle there, you might be inside of your book, website, article, whatever, and you can perform the two-finger gesture when you just swipe down slightly from the top edge of the display. And it will trigger this like reading mode where all of the content and speakable text on the screen will be read out loud to you. So that is like a reading mode where you don't even read it yourself, but your phone is reading it out loud to you. So that is something that you might be interested in. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.